The best way to connect a soundbar to an LG TV is through HDMI ARC or eARC. If that is unavailable, use an optical cable. Bluetooth is another wireless option, although it may have more audio delay. In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar to an LG TV using HDMI ARC or eARC, optical, or Bluetooth. Menu names may vary by TV model and webOS version. First, check the ports on both devices. On the TV, look for HDMI ARC or eARC. On the soundbar, look for HDMI out, TV ARC or eARC. If unavailable, check for optical digital audio out on the TV and optical in on the soundbar. Test only one method at a time. For HDMI, connect a cable from the TV's ARC or eARC port to the soundbar's HDMI out, TV ARC or eARC port. Do not use a regular HDMI input on the soundbar. Change the soundbar input to ARC, eARC, or TV ARC. On the LG TV, open Settings, select All Settings, go to Sound, and choose Sound Out. Select Use Wired Speaker, then HDMI ARC device. To control the soundbar with the LG remote, enable Simplink, LG's HDMI CEC setting. If both devices support eARC, enable eARC support. If the soundbar supports only ARC and there is no sound, turn eARC support off and test again. If there is no sound, confirm that the soundbar is not muted, the correct input is selected, and both cable ends are in the labeled ARC ports. Reconnect the cable or test another working HDMI cable. You can also open Sound, Advanced Settings, and Digital Sound Output. Test Auto, PCM or Pass-Through. PCM can help when the soundbar cannot decode the current audio format. If ARC is unavailable, use an optical cable. Remove the protective caps, then connect the TV's optical digital audio out to the soundbar's optical in. Change the soundbar input to optical, OPT, or D.IN. On the TV, open Sound Out, choose Use Wired Speaker, and select Optical Out device. If there is no sound, make sure the cable is fully inserted and the correct input is selected. Set digital sound output to PCM if needed. With optical, you may need the soundbar remote for volume control. For Bluetooth, put the soundbar into pairing mode. On the TV, open Sound Out. Select Use Wireless Speaker, then Bluetooth device or list of Bluetooth devices. Choose the soundbar and complete the pairing. If it does not appear, make sure it is still in pairing mode and disconnected from phones or other TVs. If Bluetooth cuts out or has noticeable delay, switch to HDMI or optical. If the sound does not match the picture, open Sound, Advanced Settings, and select Match Screen and Sound or AV Sync Adjustment. Make sure the TV is not using its internal speakers and the soundbar together, because this can cause an echo. If the soundbar still does not work, restart both devices, confirm the TV output and soundbar input, and test another cable or connection method. Check the manuals for your exact models because compatibility can vary. Do not open either device or attempt internal repairs. That's it for this video on how to connect a soundbar to an LG TV using HDMI ARC or eARC, an optical cable, or Bluetooth. I hope this guide helps you complete the connection and fix common sound or pairing problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips. Have any questions or did one of these methods work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.